Hello everyone and welcome back to Civilex. Today we're diving deep into the world of construction projects and discussing a crucial aspect that every construction professional must master: risk management. But first, let's start with the basics. What exactly is risk management in the context of construction projects? In simple terms, risk management is the process of identifying, assessing and mitigating potential risks that could impact a construction project's success. Why is risk management so crucial in construction? Well, construction projects are inherently complex and often involve a multitude of uncertainties. Without effective risk management, these uncertainties can lead to project delays, cost overruns, and even project failure. The first step in risk management is identifying potential risks. These can include everything from weather-related delays and design changes to material shortages and safety hazards. It's essential to have a comprehensive list of potential risks. Once you've identified risks, the next step is to assess them. This involves determining the likelihood and potential impact of each risk. By assigning a risk score to each, you can prioritize which risks require the most attention. Now, let's talk about the types of risks you might encounter in construction projects. These can be broadly categorized into financial risks, operational risks, legal and regulatory risks, and external risks. Mitigating risks is where the real action happens. There are several strategies you can employ, such as risk avoidance, risk transfer, risk reduction, and risk acceptance. It's essential to have a well-thought-out plan for each identified risk. Implementing risk management plans is a collaborative effort. It involves clear communication and coordination among all project stakeholders, including the project manager, contractors, architects, and subcontractors. But risk management doesn't stop once the project begins. It's an ongoing process. Regularly monitor the identified risks, assess their status, and adjust your mitigation strategies as needed to ensure the project stays on track. In conclusion, risk management is an indispensable tool for ensuring the success of construction projects. By identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks, you can save time, money, and headaches. Remember, it's not about eliminating all risks but about managing them effectively. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more construction-related content, and let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.